Hi everyone, welcome back to Omi's Home Cooking. Today we are sharing dhaba style mixed veg recipe. The best thing about mixed veg is it comes in so many different variations and each version comes with personal preference of individual. You can watch this recipe and make your own by adding and taking out particular ingredients of your own choice and make it your very own recipe. So let's get started with the recipe of dhaba style mixed veg. And before that, don't forget to subscribe our channel by clicking on the bell icon to get notification of all the upcoming recipes. And don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. For mixed veg curry, take 3 to 4 tablespoons of oil in a pan. Once oil is warmed up, then add diced onion. I have used 1 large onion and cook it on medium heat. Stir and saute till onion turns light brown. Now add 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds and saute for 1 minute. Add 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Saute till the raw aroma goes away. Now it's time to add tomatoes. So I'm adding a tin of 400 grams of tomatoes. If you want to add fresh tomatoes, then you can add 2 to 3 medium-sized fresh tomatoes in it. Stir and saute till tomatoes become pulpy and you see it releasing oil from the sides. Once done, then we need to add all the spices. First of all, I'm going to add 1.25 teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and 1 teaspoon of garam masala. Mix them well. Now reduce the flame and cook it until it releases the oil. On the other side, I'm going to fry all the vegetables. First of all, I'm going to fry 2 medium-sized potatoes. You can either deep fry them or shallow fry. I'm going to deep fry them until they turn golden brown. While potatoes are getting ready, I'm going back to tadka. It has released the oil and I'm going to add half a cup of chopped coriander leaves. Mix it well. Now potatoes are also done. Take them out of the oil and put them in the tadka. As you can see that potatoes are very nice light golden brown. Mix well and keep cooking on low heat. Next I'm going to fry 1.5 cup of mixed peppers. I'm going to fry them only for about 1.5 to 2 minutes as I want to keep a bit of their crunch and their color. As you can see that peppers are still crunchy and have got beautiful color. Take them out of the oil and put them in the mixture and mix them well and keep cooking on lowest heat. Next I'm frying cubes of 1 medium-sized aubergine. Fry them on medium heat for 2 to 3 minutes or until they turn light golden brown. Don't over fry them, otherwise they will go too soft. Aubergine is now done, so I'm going to add that in the mixture. Mix them well with the other vegetables and gravy. So next I'm going to fry 1.5 cup of cauliflower florets. Again, fry them until they turn light golden brown. As you can see, cauliflower is now done. Drain them and put them in the pot with the other vegetables. Mix all the vegetables well and cook them further for 2 to 3 minutes on low heat for all the vegetables to absorb the flavor of the spices. Then turn the heat off and serve it hot with chapati or paratha. It tastes really good and you can put vegetables of your choice to make your own version. Let me know which version of mixed veg you like and don't forget to hit the like button if you have enjoyed this video and subscribe our channel. Please remember to click on the bell icon as well to get notification of all the upcoming videos. You can also choose to watch next recipe video or a playlist from the screen. You can subscribe our channel using the link on the screen or in the description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay healthy, stay safe.